So guys, with just 500 naira, this is 500 naira Nigerian notes, and as you can see, with this just 500 naira, you can get 4 gig of data. And the craziest part is that this data will last you for 30 days. That is, sorry, it is valid for 30 days. Yeah, so you could get 4 gig of data with just 500 naira, and it will be valid for 30 days. And right here in this particular video, I'll show you step by step how to go about it, how to get it, and it doesn't even take a lot of time. And in fact, it's not even a secret. It's just that only a few people know about it. Well, we could still call it a secret, but right here in this particular video, I'll reveal it to you, and it will no longer be a secret. So all you need to do right now is ensure you watch this particular video to the very end and don't miss any parts. Don't let me waste your time. Let's just get straight into this particular video right now. So once you dial this code, all you need to do is click on this. As you can see, we have join M plus educational bundle, blah blah blah. But what we are concerned about is the second one. So I'll just go ahead and click on the second one, that is 2. And as you can see, the first option here is buy education bundle. 2, view your bundle balance. 3, eligible education websites. 4, manage your subscription. And then you need to click on 1, that is you want to buy education bundle. And once you reply with 1, as you can see, these data plans are for select education sites or app only. Yeah, this is actually legit, and they are only for education, some particular education sites and app only. And but the most exciting part is that in this particular video, I'll show you how to get this data, and then you can use it for normal browsing, and it will not only work for education sites, it will work for your general browsing, YouTube, Google, anything, just mention it. But before that, let me click on 0 to go back to show you the list of eligible education platform. And as you can see, this, if you not on a normal day, if you subscribe to any of this data bundle, these are the sites you will be able to access. Screenclass.com, it is just for students, that is education bundle, like the name implies. Screenclass.com, edufirst.com, all these sites you are seeing here. Let me click on 99 to see the next option. And as you can see, all these platform right here, these are the sites you can access with this data on a normal day. But in this particular video, I'll show you the secret way to go about it, and then you'll be able to make this subscription and you'll be able to use it for your normal browsing. So the code right now is just type *344#. Wait, don't rush and go and do that. Ensure you watch this video to the very end, because there is something more important. That is *344#, and then once it loads up, as you can see, the next thing is to select 2. Once you select 2, and as you can see, buy education bundle. Once you select 1, and as you can see, we have 350 MB for 50 naira, and it will last for 7 days. We also have 250 MB for 25 naira, and this one is just for a day. And then we have 1.2 gig for 150 naira, and this will last for 30 days. And then we have 4 gig for 500 naira, and this will last for 30 days. So I'll be going for this 4 gig. Let me do this 250 MB 25 naira for 1 day, just to show you that this work. And before that, let me go ahead and show you my existing data balance, so that you know that it's not that I have another data before, so for just for transparency sake. So to check my balance, I'll dial *323 star, sorry, that was a mistake. And yeah, so to check my balance, *323 *4# to check my balance. And right now, let's allow that to load. The code is running already, and it's loading. So guys, if you are still here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel if you find this particular video helpful. All I do on this channel is this, and of course you want to join the family. So as you can see, I currently have a data bundle of 2.95 MB. Yeah, I just have to put, so it's just like I'm having no data. 2.95 MB is nothing. So let me wait for them to send me a message, a detailed message showing, okay, let me check the message, a message showing my data. As you can see, your data balance 45 gig monthly. I think I made a video about this some time ago, how this is the current data subscription I do use. You can get with just 6,000 naira, you can get 45 gig of data, and I will link the video in the description, or it will appear on your screen. So as you can see, my balance right now is 2.95 MB, which is like I don't have any data. 2.95 MB is small. So let me just go ahead right now and subscribe to this educational bundle, and let me show you that it will not only work for education sites, but with this method it will work for general browsing. So *344#. Then let's go for the, just for explanation sake, let me click on that too, the education bundle, and then I want to buy education bundle 1, and then let me just go for 2. That's one of, I think that's 250 MB with just 25 naira, and it is telling me that I'll be migrated to M plus plan. So it's just for one day. Let me just select yes that I'm ready, and then you'll be charged 25 naira, and then just one off. I want to do this, and then as you can see, my activation of 250 MB daily bundle was successful and expires on this. You receive an SMS notification shortly. Let me show you the balance. Star 323 star 4 hash star 323 star 4 hash, and then let's wait for that to pop up. Okay, so as you can see, I currently have 250. I have 2.95 before, so and I did 250 MB. Let's see the detailed SMS that will come in right now, so that will show the full details of my data bundle, guys. So ensure you stay to the very end, because the most important part of this video is showing you how to convert this education bundle. As you can see, I currently have an edu bundle of 250 MB, and my normal data balance is 2.9 MB 95. So guys, just before I show you how to convert this educational bundle into a data you can use for your normal day-to-day browsing, that will have no limitation, I want to quickly remind you to give this video a thumbs up, so that YouTube will recommend it to more people like you who are interested in this particular opportunity, and it's just a way for you to say thank you to me for sharing this opportunity with you. So why not, please just give this video a thumbs up, and go ahead to subscribe, join the 5,000 folks who are already on this channel. And all I do on this channel is I spend a lot of time researching on opportunities that could make me money online, and whenever I find the ones that work, I come right here on my channel to share it with you guys. And that's why more than 5,000 people are already subscribed. So what are you waiting for? You want to join the family, and let's get back to the video. Subscribe now, guys. So guys, for the sake of this video, I've connected to a Wi-Fi so I can download this. I want to show you step by step so that you know that this is not I did not do any secret thing. I'm showing you everything. So all you need to do is come to Play Store and download this Stack VPN Reloaded. This particular one, come to Play Store and download it, and immediately it is downloaded, I'll turn off my Wi-Fi and I'll turn on my normal data back, and then we are going to set this up together, guys. So it's almost done, and immediately it is done, and it's already installing right now, and it will almost be done right now. And if you have Stack VPN Reloaded already, what you want to do is go ahead and update it. There might be an update. Ensure you update your Stack VPN Reloaded, and immediately it is done, all you need to do is go ahead and open it. And after you must have subscribed to the educational bundle, then come right here on Stack VPN to open it. Okay, so we have Stack VPN Reloaded, and then let me click on open. So right now, let me just go ahead and turn on my data connection as well, and so that we can test this out together. And as you can see, it wasn't all going before. Allow this to send a notification, and you want to know. So right now, as you can see, it is showing not connected right here, as you can see at the top. And then lest I forget, guys, I forget to mention that this is only working for MTN at the moment. That's code I shared with you. The educational bundle is only for MTN right now. I shared a video about AIRTEL updates some time ago. I'll link it in the description or anywhere around your screen. You can go ahead to watch that one for cheap data on AIRTEL as well. So all you need to do is right now is click on this none or direct. On this particular page, immediately you click on this none or direct, it's supposed to be showing you something like MTN, AIRTEL, different things, and since it is not showing it, I'll just go ahead and click on this update right now, and let's wait for the update. Just in case you're having something like that, that's what to do. As you can see, it has been updated successfully. This is just an ad, and once you click on that, change it to okay. As you can see, there are a lot of things showing up right now. So if you have that similar error, just do that, update your tweak version, and you should be seeing just below right here. Let me use this one to show you. As you can see, you should be seeing 20.2 tweak version. So immediately you have that, what you want to do is, let me disconnect from the Wi-Fi right now so that we can test out our data if it is actually working. So what you want to do is search for MTN or M plus. MTN, just scroll down, as you can see, MTN M plus. Okay, this is it. As you can see right here, we have MTN M plus 2022, MTN M plus 2023. I don't know if you can see this thing I'm saying. I'm trying to hold this cursor to show you. MTN M plus 2022, MTN M plus 2023, and MTN M plus. Select this MTN plus. Oh, sorry, this one is even plus. No, what we want is M plus. MTN M plus. Let me go ahead and look for it again. Okay, we're having 9 mobile. Okay, MTN in Nigeria. NG is Nigeria. Nigeria AIRTEL. MTN M plus 2022, 2023. Okay guys, since I did not see MTN M plus, just go ahead with this MTN plus, the one immediately below this MTN M plus 2023. Select the MTN M plus. Let me show you once again. Scroll down here, as you can see MTN pulse, select that one, and then click on, let me turn on my data, Let me turn my data on right now, and then let's connect as well. Just click on this green red button, and you see it has changed to green and it is showing connecting. And let's wait for it to connect, guys. So this is just an ad popping up, and then it is already connected, guys. So the educational bundle you got for 500 naira 4 gig will work. As you can see now, it is, if you look at it right here down here, you can see upload. It is loading and I'm able to download. So let me just go ahead and search for something. Let me go to, okay, Play Store. No, let me use maybe Facebook as an example for you. So okay, let me try again, and let's allow that to load. Network, as you can see, now it is now loading. It is now loading with our educational bundle. That means you've been able to use your educational bundle, which is very cheap, and you can use it to do normal browsing, guys. As you can see, it is now loading. Let me change it to data mode. It is normal to first show this. As you can see, I'm no longer in free mode. I'm no longer in free mode, and as you can see right now, this is working and it's working perfectly fine. So guys, if you are actually watching up to this point, let me open something else. Let me open maybe YouTube and show you as well. Let me open YouTube and show you that this thing is working, and it is still my educational bundle that I'm using, and I'm able to browse the internet like I did normal data. As you can see, it is loading. Let me search for my channel. And guys, this is just to remind you that if you actually find this particular video helpful, please do well to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss on exciting opportunities like this, and I drop more updates like this. Just come right here on my channel and subscribe, guys. And yeah, thank you. And don't forget, let me know in the comments if you actually try this out and if it works for you. It will definitely work for you, but I want you to go ahead and try it out and let me know. Come back here to give me review. All I do on my channel is I spend a lot of time researching on opportunities that could make me money online, and whenever I find the ones that work, I come right here on my channel to share it with you guys. And yeah, that's it for this particular video, guys.